Here's how you can create Kareena Kapoor's signature smoky eye with just one eyeshadow. And I guarantee you it's not going to take you more than 5 minutes. I'm going to be using this look for today's inspiration and starting with an eye pencil. You can pick any eye pencil that you prefer. I'm picking one from the drugstore. This is the Wet n Wild Break Proof pencil. And all you're going to do with this is apply it in your waterline and in your lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be precise. Just apply it. Quick tip here, if your eye pencil has dried out, warm it up. You can just use a hairdryer. Warming up an eye pencil before application can significantly enhance its performance and ease of use, resulting in a smoother, more precise application, and it looks so much more pigmented. Next, I'm going to start smudging this with a smudging brush. Basically, what you're doing when you smudge is you're blurring that line. And this technique gives you that sultry, slightly blurred edge to the eyes. And when you start a smoky eye this way, it turns out sultry every single time. I applied a little bit more pencil in my lower lash line to make it more intense. And try to push it outward so you get that soft wing in the outer corner. And you should be left with something that looks like this. It's time to apply that one eyeshadow because I'm going for this picture as inspiration. I'm going to use a burgundy brown eyeshadow. This is from the Urban Wanderer palette by Ofra Cosmetics, one of my favorites, especially to use on brides. I'm picking up this shade with a large fluffy shader brush. I'm going to start applying it on my lid. This look is so easy to recreate. When you apply it on your lid, go over that smudge liner too. What that's going to do is, because it's a darker base, it'll look deeper at the lash line, and as that eyeshadow moves outward and upward, it becomes lighter and lighter. And that's how you get that ombre effect with minimal effort. Once you've saturated your lid with the eyeshadow, take whatever residue is left in that brush and soften the edges. You don't need another transition eyeshadow here. Just soften the edge and melt it into your skin tone. And then taking a little bit more of the eyeshadow, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line as well. I've seen Kareena uses the same eyeshadow look, but sometimes she uses a shimmer. Sometimes she does it with the browns, burgundies, cool tones. So depending on your mood and the outfit that you're wearing, you can change it up. She barely has any false lashes in her looks, so I'm going to apply a good coat of mascara. This is the very popular Kill Lash Mascara by Cleo Cosmetics, which is a Korean brand. And because we're not using any false lashes, I'm going to apply a really good coat both to my top as well as bottom lashes. And here is the finished smoky eye inspired by the signature look of Kareena Kapoor, with just one eyeshadow. Super sultry and stunning. Her blush is always very understated, so I'm going to be using Bellini. This is by Laura Mercier. This is going to add a very light flush to my cheeks. That's because the focus is on that eye makeup. Everything else is very mellowed down. And then using the stunning Flash Highlighter by Ofra Cosmetics, which is my collaboration with them, I'm going to very lightly highlight the high points. She definitely goes for that slight glow rather than a full matte look. She also likes to keep her lips pretty nude, so I'm going to start with a nude brow pencil as my lip liner. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to use brow pencils as my lip liner because they don't feather out or bleed. And then I'm going to finish up with the Huda Beauty Cream Lipstick in the shade Habibi. The formula on this lipstick is ultra hydrating and ultra comfortable. And it gives a fuller pout because it has the dewy finish. And here is the finished look. So next time someone asks you to create a signature Kareena Kapoor smoky eye look, show them how you can create it with just one eyeshadow. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. In the description box below this video, you will find links to all the products that I used along with links to my social media in case you plan to follow me there, because I post several more tips and tricks and tutorials on makeup and skincare, etc. So make sure you're following me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.